guys, it's Kendall, and I wanted to do a quick video on how to create a nice capture page with the Power Lead system. And with the capture page, you want to get traffic to your sites so that instead of driving traffic to like ClickBank offer or JVZoo offer or any affiliate or MLM business, you want to capture that lead so that you can follow up and stay in contact with these prospects that are coming. Because once you get them to your site, you just want to continuously keep contact with that person. Just let them know who you are. So let's start off. We're in the back office of the Power Lead system, and we just want to go to copy web pages, and this is where we have all the capture pages that we've created, all the ones that we can use. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a page for a soccer offer. So first I'm going to copy the name and the email, or that's what I want to have the prospect enter their name and their email address, so we have their name and a follow-up email that we can stay in contact with. So we're just going to go all the way down, and I like that page. You can choose any of these pages. I'm going to change it to this page. And so then we're just going to start making the page. So once we get here, this first page, this is just going to be for our reference. So let's just name it soccer training. And then this is what's going to be in the banner in the top of your web page. So let's just put Alright, so here is what we're going to name our site. So with the Power Lead system, you have unlimited subdomains that you can create. So it can be whatever you want. So we're going to have it related to the offer. And so let me go to ClickBank, and we're going to find our product. I found something earlier that I liked. And let me just find this page, and then we're going to get started. So here it is right here. So this is the one that I liked. Soccer training, improve your soccer skills. So here you can put in tracking, so we're just going to put it color. Okay, so here is we're in ClickBank, and we want to add like a tracking kit so that we know like where our sales would be coming from. So we're just going to copy this. This is going to be where our traffic is going to be sent to after they opt in. Or I'm sorry. First, this is where we're going to add our subdomain. So let's just put in soccer training course. So it's going to be soccer training course.withkindle.com. So that's where the page that we're creating right now. Right now, we don't want to add autoresponder campaign. You should have this prepared already if you're going to do a campaign follow-up email. But right now, we don't need that right now, so we're just going to leave it as do not send the autoresponder campaign. And then this is where we're going to add our ClickBank link. So after they put in their name and email, this is where it's going to take them to this page. So let's actually see what this page looks like. So this is the course where we're trying to get our prospects to, and it's going to play a short video. Let me just turn that off. So this is the page where our visitors are going to go after they enter their email address. And It's a nice course where it will give you a course on how to play soccer, which is something that's very hot right now in the United States and pretty much throughout the whole world. Um, this is a course that'll have different modules on how to play this game. So then once, if you're not familiar with ClickBank, just once someone has payment and they purchase, then that's how you get paid with ClickBank. That's just another course. But now let's go back to our page that we're creating. So for the description, this is what is going to show up in Google or any search engine. So you want it to say something that's going to be a good description that will, when someone's showing up in the search engines, they'll say, oh, that's what I'm looking for. So let's just type in the description. Nice, keywords. So this is what someone's searching for when they're in the search engines. So let's just put in learn training. And that's just a few of the keywords that we'll just put in. No, that's just, you can add as many as you want, but for demonstration purposes, we'll just keep it short right now. Obviously, you would want to do some training for keywords and descriptions, so you want to get that all prepared. So let's just find the background. You can use any of these backgrounds that are already in the system, that are loaded in the system, or what I'm going to show you, let's just use this one for now, but I'm going to show you something. Alright, so this is what we have so far, and we're going to change this title. Yeah, let's go back to our course, and let's say let's just put in amazing skill force. And, let's make this a little bit bigger. Alright, so let's leave it like that. That looks good. And this is where they're going to put their name and their email. And now let's go back, and we want to save changes right now. Now let's go back. We want to edit the page. I want to show you something. Now instead of this background, I did a search earlier for soccer arenas. And so we want to go to images. Now if you're going to get something from the search engine, you want to go to search tools, and then you want to go to the usage rights, and then you want to choose either like label for reuse or modification, and then it'll give you ones that you can use for like any reproduction that you're using, any videos or anything. So you can use any of these. So what I did was I selected one of these and I saved it to my computer hard drive, and then I used Photo Bucket and I saved that image, and I have it already linked. So let me just copy that link, and let me just go back, and we're going to go to the source, and we're going to Control F, and this is where we can search for the background image. So this right here, this is going to be the, we want to take this out, and now we're going to paste our own link in there. And let's go back to source again. See, now we have our background, and let's go to save. Now let's just go to view our page. Alright, so here is our capture page now. You can see our nice background, and it says amazing skills for soccer. Learn how to improve your soccer game with this amazing, awesome training course. And then let's just put in our name, and then we'll put in our email address. And then we're going to go to instant access right now, and we're just going to put in this little verification code. And that just verifies that you're a human. And voila, look at this. Right to our ClickBank page where someone can read, watch this video for more information. They can go right away, add it to cart. They can read a little bit more about what this is all about. And now also with having that email, we can follow up any time now and send out a broadcast, let them know how are they doing with their soccer, add some conversation, let them know that you're here to answer any questions, continue following up a broadcast email at least once a week, just to let them know that this product is still out there. Maybe even go on to ClickBank, search for other products that they might be related to soccer. Get them go into those pages. Now, since they're in your email content manager, you can follow up anytime with any products or any services that you have. You might also want to send them, like right now it was like the World Cup, just Women's World Cup a few weeks ago. So you might have wanted to send them like newsletter about the scores that were going on or highlights that were going on in the World Cup, and just it's unlimited what you can do. But that's how you make a capture page with the PowerLead system, and I hope that you saw some value in this training. And if you have any other questions, I'm going to do a couple more videos about the PowerLead system and more about capture pages and how to send broadcast emails and how to write valuable emails. So if you haven't done so yet, click the link below to subscribe to my channel, and look for the next video. And if you're interested in the PowerLead system and how you can create unlimited capture pages with this amazing tool, I'll have a link in the description below. So that's all for now, and you have a great day.